Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by importing the music and all raw footage into a fresh project because clean assets speed everything up. Once the files are in, check frame rates and sample rates so clips won't drift. Make quick trims to remove obvious dead space. Then place the song on its own audio track and stack related video clips above it. This gives you immediate control. Make sure to name layers and use markers on the track so you can reference beats quickly as you proceed. You should now analyze the music. Scrub and place markers on downbeats, vocal hits, and transitions so you have visual anchors. Once done, move clip start or end points to those markers. Use slip and slide tools to nudge internal framing without changing duration. For tricky moments, apply short speed ramps or cuts to hit the beat precisely while preserving motion flow. Make sure to preview at full volume and watch how visual rhythm reads against the song so adjustments feel musical, not mechanical. You finish by tightening timing. Nudge clips by single frames where hits feel off and use audio scrubbing to confirm exact sync. Once satisfied, level the music relative to dialogue, add short fades at cuts to avoid pops, and export a high-quality test clip in your delivery codec. If things go wrong, check for sample rate or frame rate mismatches and re-render the offending segment. That usually fixes drift. Finally, watch the full export to ensure rhythm and emotion land as intended.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.